Okay, just a bit of an update on the BMW M2 that we recovered. The police have obviously continued with their inquiries. We're pretty sure that they've made an arrest and that's led them to some really good intelligence, but we haven't been contacted with any official updates. And yeah, as far as we know, this is the only BMW M2 that's ever been recovered that's been stolen. We couldn't find anything on the internet about any other car. Amazing what they can do in just a few hours.
Right then, so here we have the BMW M2 that was recovered by Automatrics. The car got stolen from Wolverhampton and they worked hand in hand with the police and come all the way up from Southampton and found the car in an industrial unit in Birmingham. Luckily, because they managed to find it so quickly, half of the parts were still salvageable and actually still in the unit. By the time the car came to us, it had been stripped down. Only the bonnet, both doors, tailgate and rear lights had been stripped. Luckily all the parts were still in the unit by the time it was found, and the only thing I've actually had to buy new for the exterior of the car was a driver's side door. So, like I said, it was found in Birmingham, all the parts were stripped, boot lid was off, rear lights was off, barring that everything else was still as it was with the car. If I show you the interior, so when we picked the car up, the interior had been stripped, however it was all still there, barring the rear seats, which just had to be brought. So the interior was all still there. If I quickly pop the bonnet up as well, I can show you the bonnet and the engine. Again, luckily nothing mechanical had been touched on the car at all, it was just cosmetic bolt-off bits. But again, it was all still sitting in the unit ready to be recovered and put back on the car.